Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. At the start of this year, I splashed out and treated myself to an online Ukrainian course because one of my New Year's resolutions was to try to learn at least some basic Ukrainian this year. You know, get myself to kind of A2 level or something. Sadly, since then, I've been finding it really hard to make time to study, to build it into my daily or weekly routine. I haven't really got much further than Jak sprawy? Chudowo, which means how are you doing? Great! That's the limit of my Ukrainian pretty much at the moment. And one thing that trying to study on your own makes you realise is that one of the main reasons, I think, students often choose to come to classes is because knowing that there's a teacher in the class who's expecting you to have done some studying forces your hand. If you force someone's hand, you basically make them do something that otherwise they wouldn't choose to do, or you make them do it before they'd been planning to do it. So in the same way, maybe the boss of a company knows that at some point they might have to make an unpleasant decision about whether to let some people go, for instance. And they've been trying to put off making this decision, but events force their hand. Things happen that make them have to decide earlier. Maybe you have a friend who's got a guitar or a car or a house that they sometimes maybe think about selling but are basically quite reluctant to sell. Well, sometimes when you're reluctant to sell things, if the right offer comes along and somebody offers a sufficiently large amount of money, that might force your hand. And maybe you're an outdoor sports enthusiast. Maybe you were planning to go and play some golf today or go and play tennis in the park, but it then started pouring with rain and the weather forced your hand and you ended up staying at home. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might force somebody's hand.